Write the next equation for the following cell. Try to answer it. Yes, I want to explain this example, and one more question I will give. One more question, then you can answer that question. You can answer that question. One question I want, this question I want to explain. Okay, this question I want to explain. Okay, I want to explain. Listen, Nana. First of all, you have to write the cell reaction. Overall cell reaction. Overall cell reaction. Actually, at anode what happens, you know, at anode, be concentrate, nickel is converting into nickel plus 2. Nickel plus 2 by loss of how many electrons? 2 electrons. Nickel is going to convert into nickel plus 2 by loss of 2 electrons. Next one, at cathode what happens? At cathode, Ag plus, by gaining 1 electron, it is converted into Ag. But what we have to do here, we have to balance the electrons. Number of electrons lost by one species must be equal to number of electrons gained by the another species. That's why we have to multiply this equation with what? 2 Ag. So this is the equation we will get. Understood? 1 Ag plus 1 electron gives Ag, silver solid we will get. But in this equation we have to balance the electrons. At anode and cathode, the electrons must be equal. So then we can write the overall reaction like this. Overall reaction. Ni2Ag plus gives Ni plus 2 plus 2Ag. Remember, reactant side nickel is the solid, product side silver is the solid, and no need to consider their concentration, and their active mass is considered as 1. Then how we are going to write the next equation for this? Look at here. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n. In place of n, what we have to take? 2 we have to take. In place of n, we have to take 2 log concentration of product side we have nickel plus 2 divided by concentration of Ag plus power 2. This is the correct expression, this is the correct equation, next equation for the given cell. Understood? Yes. Right, very good. Yes. Okay. Some students already written very nice, very nice. Some students already written really superb. It is very nice. Yes, we should take log base 10 also. We have to take log base 10. Here we should use log base 10. So can I give one more question? Okay, I want to give the question. Be ready with the pen and paper and you have to answer this. Write the next equation for the following cell. Write the next equation for the following cell. Okay. So the given cell reaction like this, the given cell reaction. So by luckily the given cell reaction only 2Al Ni plus 2 3Ni plus 2 aqueous gives 2Al plus 3 plus 3Ni solid. So try to write the next equation for this. Try to write the next equation. Superb. But one small mistake is there. Superb. Actually, what is the point here? N is equal to how much we should take? That is the question. N is equal to how much we have to use? N is equal to number of electrons transferred. Actually, in this reaction, N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6 we have to use. Why N is equal to 6? Why N is equal to 6 you know? Because in this equation 2Al is converting into 2Al plus 3 by loss of how many electrons? 6 electrons. See this equation, 2Al is converting into 2Al plus 3 by loss of 6 electron. Next to 3Ni plus 2 by gaining how many electrons? Same number of 6 electrons is going to converting into what? 3Ni solid. 6 electrons get cancelled. Then what is the overall reaction? This is the overall reaction, 2Al plus 3Ni plus 2. Okay, 2Al plus 3 plus 3Ni nickel solid. Listen Nana, so almost all written correctly, but what the wrong they written, you know, in place of N is equal N they taken 2, but we should use N is equal to what? 6 only. We have to use N is equal to 6. Then yes, correct. Reaction coefficient, somebody asking. Asiyama, this equation E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N. In place of N, what we have to take? 6 we have to take. 6 log base 10 concentration of product. Product side Al plus 3 is there. Power 2 we should use. Al plus 3 power 2 divided by. So nickel plus 2 overall power 3. So this is the equation we will get. Overall power 3. Right. Excellent. Okay. Is it you got the point here? Understood? Right. So why I am taken 6, you know? Because the number of electrons lost by aluminum 6, the number of electrons gained by the nickel 6, that's why N is equal to 6 we have to use. Repeat once again. Okay, once again I will repeat it. Once again I will repeat, no problem. No problem. Okay, no problem, Nana. Once again I will repeat it. So what the question they given? Write nest equation for the following cell. They given for us one cell like this. They given 2Al plus 3Ni plus 2 aqueous, 2Al plus 3 plus 3Ni. This is the equation they given for us. Okay, then how we have to write the nest equation for this? Look at here, Nana. Aluminium is converting into Al plus 3. Al plus 3. For 2 aluminium atoms, how many electrons it lose? You know, total 6 electrons it lose. Similarly, 3 Ni plus 2, here 3 Ni plus 2 ions are there now. 3 Ni plus 2 ions, how many electrons they should get? They should get 6 electrons to convert into 3 Ni. So one point is cleared here. How many electrons involved in the reaction? 6 electrons involved in the reaction, that is cleared. 6 electrons. Now 2Al plus 3Ni plus 2 gives 2Al plus 3 plus 3Ni we will get. See, E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by N. In place of N, what we should take? 6 we have to take. Log base 10 Al plus 3 overall power 2 nickel plus 2 overall power 3. So why we should take concentration Al plus 3 power 2? In front of Al plus 3, stoichiometric coefficient is the what? 2. That's why power 2 we have to take. In front of nickel plus 2, stoichiometric coefficient is how much? 3. That's why we have to write 3 here. Concentration of nickel plus 2 overall power 3. So this is the equation. Okay. Last and final, one more equation also I will give. Try to answer it. Last and final. Just equation I will give. Try to write the next equation. Last and final. Mg solid plus 2Ag plus aqueous gives Mg plus 2 aqueous plus 2Ag solid. 2Ag solid. Write down next equation for this. Write down the next equation. Mg solid plus 2Ag plus gives Mg plus 2 aqueous 2Ag solid. Correct. Yes, very good, correct. So many members are giving the correct answer, right? Very good, correct. Yes. Sinana, in this equation, N is equal to important, how much it is? 2 electrons. 2 electrons. N is equal to 2 electrons. Just I want to tell one important thing, Amma, this is the trick of the day. Today's trick is in the next equation how to identify the n. Very easy, I am going to tell. This side how much of total positive charge is there, just you calculate it. And this side also same positive charge will be present. Right side to left to side to right side, same positive charge will be present. It means this side plus 2 charge is there, this side how much of charge is there? Plus 2. That's why n is equal to how many electrons? 2 electrons. That's why n is equal to 2 electrons. Understood? This side charge plus 2, this side also charge plus 2, that's why n is equal to 2 electrons, simply. Okay, now E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by n log, in place of n what we have to take? 2 log base 10 concentration of Mg plus 2 divided by concentration of Ag plus overall power 2. Overall power 2, concentration of Ag plus overall power 2. Okay, this is the next equation. Now, so after this equation, for neat purpose, somebody asking, coefficient became power. Yes, actually why we have to write the coefficient power, like somebody asking, see Nana, actually per suppose we have the formula like this, we have the formula. So what is that? In equilibrium A plus B gives rise to C plus D is there. Then their stoichiometric coefficient A and B and C and D, their stoichiometric coefficient. In equilibrium, you know that how to write the reaction quotient. QC is equal to concentration of C, in front of it how much of stoichiometric coefficient is there, it will come under power. Concentration of C power C. And concentration of D power D we have to take. In front of D, small d is there, that's why we have to take here power D. Next, so concentration of A power A, concentration of B power B we have to take. That is the way of writing QC reaction quotient. In front of C how much is there, that must be taken as its power. In front of D how much is there, it must be taken as power. Per suppose in this equation in front of Ag plus 2 is there, that's why a concentration of Ag plus power 2 we have to take. Per suppose in the equation if 3 is there, means what we should use? We should use 3. Okay, now if per suppose there is a 3 means we have to use 3 only. So this is about the next equation for different types of cells. Just 5 minutes, I want to close, just listen. Last and final formula, one formula means one problem. For neat purpose it is important. I want to tell that problem, try to answer that problem. Just note down the question. Note down the question. Now, E naught cell, the given E naught cell is equal to 1.1 volts. In examination, what they given? E naught cell they given How much it is? 1.1 volts. Next one, so they given cell representation like this. Cell representation is like this. Zn/Zn plus 2, its concentration is how much they given, 0.01 molar they given. Cu plus 2/Cu, its concentration is 0.1 molar they given. Then what they are asking, E cell is equal to how much? E cell is equal to how much? This is the question. They given E naught cell 1.1 volts, cell representation they given, and the concentrations also they given. Then what they are asking? E cell they are asking. E cell is equal to how much? Then how we have to answer it? We have to answer like this. First of all, Zn is react with Cu plus 2. Then what we will get? Zn plus 2 plus Cu we will get. Copper plus 2 concentration, how much they given? 0.1 molar. Zn plus 2 concentration, how much they given? 0.01 molar. Then I am going to write the next equation for this. E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2 log concentration of product Zn plus 2 divided by concentration of reactant Cu plus 2. E cell is equal to E naught cell, how much they given? 1.1 they given. 1.1. Next to minus 0.059 by 2 log 0.01 divided by 0.1. Correct? 0.01 divided by 0.1. Then, so how much we will get after simplification of this? Actually, this is the 1.1 minus 0.059 by 2 log 10 power minus 1 we will get after simplification. Log 10 power 1 means how much we will get? 1.1. This minus into minus plus 0.059 by 2 log 10. Log 10 is equal to 1. Log 10 is equal to 1. 0.059 by 2 is equal to how much we will get? So this is equal to 1.1, 0.0295. So it is equal to 0.059 by 2 is equal to how much it is? 0.0295. Then total how much we will get? 1.1295 volts is our answer. 1.1295 volts is the answer. So this is about the next equation and how they will ask the questions. Once again, see, E naught cell they given 1.1. Cell representation they given like this. E cell they are asking. E cell is how much? So cell representation, according to cell representation we can write this overall equation. Zn plus Cu plus 2 gives Zn plus 2 plus Cu. Here the concentration of copper plus 2 0.1, concentration of Zn plus 2 0.01 molar. Next to E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 by 2 log concentration of Zn plus 2 by Cu plus 2. 1.1 minus 0.059 by 2 log 0.01 by divided by 0.1. So how much we will get? Log 10 power minus 1. Log 10 power minus 1 is nothing but if we simplify it, so it is 1.1 plus 0.059 by 2 log log base 10 into 10. So it is equal to 1. Then after simplification, what is the answer? We will get 1.1295 we will get. So this is the today's